Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Mazda BT-50 single cab XT Ute, stock reference number 5285. The shape runs from the 7th month 2020 and is the current shape. It has a 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, rear bumper, tip-top equipment alloy tray with all bolts and brackets and toolbox, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.